Good morning, everyone. This is Oliver from Oliver Travels. Look who is back. Hello. We are going on a very beautiful hike today. We're going to go up into the mountains to Grefsenkollen, and we're going to show you the most beautiful view you can have. It's minus 15 degrees outside. It's probably going to be minus 20, but it's going to be okay. Don't worry. Let's go on this fun little go. Minus 15 degrees. But you see, there is a lot of snow coming the last few days. Oh my days, let's go. Ooh. Yeah, this is going to be a fun little trip. It's going to be amazing. See you in a few hours. Oh, it's actually... No, it's not the correct one. Oh, the lake is actually frozen. It's been this cold the last few days. Welcome to Grefsenkollen. Enjoy this beautiful view. It's amazing. Check it out. Look at that.
Go down there. We can go down. Oh my God. Wow. Very beautiful. City.
This is amazing, guys. This is definitely a must visit when you come to Oslo. Check out this view. It can't get any better than this. Oh, it's pretty cold, so it's time for us to go inside the restaurant and check out some food, maybe pizza or whatever. Yeah, it's time for a little bit of a lunch. We ordered a margarita pizza and a pizza with 4 cheese. We need to enjoy a little bit of food up here in the mountains. Beautiful. What do you eat?
Oh, cheese pizza. Oh, I need to try now. It's big.
It's good. Vill du hilse på meg? Hei!
Bare opptatt av pinnen sin.
Ja, det er det, vet du. Oi, her! Her! Ja, kom! Ja, der! Ja, så fin! Hi! Isn't this breathtaking? It's a beautiful view. During summertime, you can actually rent all these like fireplaces, and wintertime, of course. And you can, I think it's like 495 kroners or something. And you get food and drinks and everything. It's like beautiful experience. Definitely something you should do. And if you see over there, it's a little bit too foggy right now, but there's actually a little competition between Grefsenkollen and Holmkollen, who has the best view. I would definitely say Grefsenkollen has the most beautiful view. So come here, enjoy your stay, enjoy the view, particularly on a sunny day like this. To get to Grefsenkollen, it's easy access by bus number 56B. But be aware, the bus only goes on Saturdays and Sundays. It doesn't go during weekdays, and it's only in a particular time. So plan your trip before you come to Grefsenkollen. It's very important. If you want to eat, maybe you should book a table in advance, but they also have like a kiosk here where you can buy hot chocolate, a warm coffee, or some waffles and just chill. Look at this view. I'm so amazed by this.
to eat pizza.
Thank you.
Wow.
Beautiful view. Wow.
Oh my god.
Uh-huh. End of the road for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We will be back with more adventures here in Norway. Let's take one last look at the view. Check this out. Welcome to Norway.
This is amazing.